What is going on, YouTube? The Hellcat has been down for a count. So this is what happened, and I'll explain why my Hellcat is down. So this is the issue. The oil cooler. The oil cooler probably on that thing is perfectly fine, but this nut, I'm glad it came with a brand new one, which I'm super happy about. But this nut here seized, and as I was pulling on it, well, cranking on it, I should say, it binded and cracked the seal on that little thing right there, where that little crack is. And you can see where it's connected. So this is going to be my first time doing something like this, which I'm assuming it should be pretty simple, straightforward. 2 bolts hold it in place. The hose is connected to where the red pieces are, and that's where you drain the oil. So I'm going to rip the front bumper off here, and I'll get to it for easy access, so that's why the bumper's coming off. So yeah, let's get on this and get to it. So as you can see, mine is a little rigged. This is the part that we're replacing. As you can see, all the oil's all over the place. So the thing is to figure out how this comes out, and I will continue that. Obviously, these are the brackets that hold it, or the 2 bolts that hold it over there and right here, because we got to disconnect these hoses as well. So it was a little hard to record the process because I had to wear gloves and everything. So pretty much there's these plastic covers that are right here. They hold on these little prongs, or whatever you want to call them. It seeds the oil lines. I'll show you on how it is on the new one. But you want to have that in first, so which these already are, which I'm glad they're in there, brand new. So keep those in first, and that's what helps snap in the oil lines. Well, what I used is a little flathead and a needle nose to pull these out. So once you get those out, lines are free. I also forgot, I'm only adding this so you guys are aware, but this one was kind of a pain to pull out. I had to use both hands to pull that out of there. So don't be afraid to give her a little tug. Obviously don't go too crazy with it, but the back one was a little bit easier than that one. I'm just trying to give you guys my point of view so you know what you're going to be looking into. So here it is. So it was the 2 bolts up top that just hold it. As you can see, this bolt is super rusty, and it probably never got changed because this car only has 19,000 miles on it. Well, the motor and everything from the Hellcat, and it probably never got changed, if I'm being honest with you. But as you can see how banged up this thing is. I had to take this whole bracket out in order to get it out properly. Super excited, as you can tell. Long time since this thing's been started. All right, I'm gonna get to it. I'm just making a mess talking to you guys, so just wanted to show off the new one, show the side by side of the fins. This is straight from Mopar. Don't go to the dealership ever. I went to the dealership. I asked them. They told me $488. I found this for half off. I found this for $288. So look online. You can find this. This matched the VIN number that I was running. I was running the donor car, and obviously just to be 100% sure that you're ordering the right part. Even I forgot what, something direct parts. I can't remember. World's Direct Parts or something. It came straight from Mopar. So it came from Texas, actually, this thing. So get this bad boy situated. Just one more time for a side-by-side difference. As you can see. And I won't show the installation because the installation is literally just like taking it apart. So I guess we'll see with the pin part, actually. I'll let you guys know about that, actually, and see how it turns out. So And I'm only making this video, I know I should be showing directly what I'm doing, but I'm only making this video because I have not seen another video of someone doing this. So I also would like to spread knowledge, because instead of going to a shop, the dealership, where you get absolutely taxed up the ass for, and this is something you probably don't run into a lot with these kind of cars. It's probably the lines before the cooler itself. So yeah. Right. So as you can see, the nice new oil cooler installed. I get the bumper back on, top her off with oil, and boom. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's pretty much it for that little thing. It's quick and easy. Now, time to fill up the oil. There's an officer right there.